But with so many killings as brutal and as cruel as what happened, if you add human rights and due process, you stink and your mouth smells. If you want to criticize, condemn the act, stop there. But do not give the excuse or do not make it trivial by saying human rights at least must be protected. Yan ang pinakabugok magawa ng isang tao. When you criticize, stick on one topic. Then you find an event where you can talk about human rights and due process. But do not talk about it at the same time when there is a carnage and you begin to blabber, talk about human rights. Lalong nagagalit ang tao. May namatay na dyan, nakalak mo sino man. What have you done in the name of human rights? 77, you have the records. You can summon the police. 77 before I became president. All drug-related, 77,000. And you trivialize that with a conference. At saka pumunta dito, ang tatanungin, yung nasa prisuhan. Na pinriso dahil just imagine, I challenge you. You want a debate in public? Okay, we'll have it. I will challenge you how also you trivialize the thing by binibigyan ng importansya si Dilima. You will all hear, you conducted the investigation. You heard the witnesses. You saw the videos. Is she a credible woman? Can she be a moral person? Hirap. Puro kayo drama dyan sa... When you talk about an incident, talk about it. Then condemn the police. But do not connect it with due process and human rights. Magbuka kang gago sa harap ng Pilipino. You know why I got this rating? I could not be brighter than you. And my work is not more important, or your vocation is not less than mine. But when you talk in public, carry the proper message. Kaya mag-itito kayo, binibombahan kasi ako ninyo ng ganon. Sabihin na ng mga tao, tama yan. Tama yan si Duterte. Kasi nangyayari. Kayo parang fruit samp, ganon-ganon. Pag na may namatay dyan na maraming massacre, na rape mga bata, hindi kayo umiimik. Maya-maya pagdating ng mga... Pagdating nitong mga Western expert ko, no, you give them so much premium and importance. Puta, saan ba ang utak ninyo? Bakit kayo believe dyan sa puti? Tingnan mo ang puti.